Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. No, Maxine is over here. She's given a lot of jokes today. And she's saying that basically, when she has been given away a lot of stuff from her daughter and her son, um, she was given, you know, Lorraine and her husband stuff. And other stuff was involved. She was saying that she should have called the police when they were leaving to let them know, of the stuff that they were carrying, the substance that they were carrying at that time. Well, she was also saying that, she had given away a lot of stuff to them, and that person was wearing it for weeks, for months, basically, and showing off in them, and she hasn't gotten paid for them. She's saying thief from thief got laugh, because she stole the stuff, and it turned around that the person that, had it didn't pay for it. So yeah, and that is what she's saying. Well, she's also talking about, the different things that the landlord said to her, basically, when she sent the box to Miss D. When she sent the box to her, the landlord was cursing her out and saying that she wasn't the one who she sent the box to, and this and the third, daddy daddy da. And so, it's a lot of stuff. And you know that she's still on the landlord case, as this is an unending thing. For now, the saga continues, as we know, and it's still all over social media. She's saying that, something has to be done about this situation. Someone has to pay for, all of this. So go ahead and catch the video, guys. And remember, lovelies, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also for the new members and the members that are already here, remember to turn that notification bell on so that when I post, you know about it. And have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
Look who God they used to expose them. The same criminal God they used to expose them. Then come at me yard, then thief, then thief, then thief, then thief, then inviggle me for thief, which me shouldn't know better. Me shouldn't know better cause me not tap thief and give them. Me not tap thief out the people them sinting and give them. Me not tap thief out the people them sinting at the yard and give them. Me not tap thief from which part and give them. Yes. And look there. Look there. It turn one come turn disgrace upon me. He laugh at me. It turn one come turn disgrace upon me, laugh at me. Eh? All know them can't pay for the things them what them get. All know. Then wear them. Some of them wear them morning, noon, and night for the whole 2 months. Then they on social media in the thieving goods them. The whole 2 months. Thief, yes! I tell you, say God is good. Thief and thief, God laugh. Thief and thief, no gone back on the Facebook, then gone on the YouTube, then go on the Facebook, then go on the YouTube, then gone on the Facebook. Nobody never asks you that, Maris. That nobody never asks you that. American people, them are sitting and then fall out. What your statement? What are you saying? They just did it on they just did it on YouTube and they go back over on Facebook, go do it again. Of course, thief and thief. Me have to confess. Me have to confess because I'm not lying. I have to confess. Because you all know that at the house, there's a lot of stuff there. There's a lot of merchandise there. There's a lot of stuff there. And when Ashanti and Lorraine come to the house and stuff like that, they knew exactly what they were doing. People come from outer state, come to the house. Oh yes, people get this, people get that. Yes, they do, because they knew that there was stuff there. They knew it.
Oh my God!
They saw from the very first time Donna get the box them up there. Erica head start at Erica. Erica head at Erica so till he can't at her. Because even when she and Donna they talk, she still come out on social media and she cuss me and she say, and for me yard you ain't send box come, and for me yard you ain't send whole boot and clothes and something come, and for me, and nobody's talking about it. Nobody's talking about it. But yes, thief and thief God laugh, cause me we have no right when fi thief me daughter things them. Me have no right when fi thief me son-in-law things them. I have no right was to do it. They get a lot of clothes, shoes and boot. You name it, they get it. Me thief up to the weed. Up to the weed, me thief. Oh my God, me couldn't thief the whole of Omar weed get Ashanti. Oh my God, I couldn't thief out the whole of Omar weed. Omar mad at me, Omar mad at me, Omar mad at me. Lorraine come down here, me thief the weed and give Lorraine for him and Stephen D. Brown. Oh yes, thief the weed and give them. One time Lorraine give me $20. $20 can't buy weed really. $20 can I shouldn't call immigration. I shouldn't call the police them out at airport when Steve they left with the weed. Yes, I should have done that. I should have really done that because me uphold with too much slackness. Maxine, you uphold with too much slackness. You uphold with all of this thieving and slackness where these people is concerned. You never know, say when they'll come to come bite you under your pum pum one of this day. You never know. You never know, say when you cast your pearls to the swines, this was gonna happen. People be careful where you cast your Ross, them I cut the YouTube one again, then dip on the YouTube one this time again. Your sister then dip on the YouTube one again. Me Ross. Hey, people, I wanna go on this morning. Poor Steve him getting it because of Lorraine. Yes. Yes. Mightyful Father. Mightyful Father. The way oh Lorraine wicked laugh at me. Me hear one clip this morning. Lorraine open the phone because he want the people them to know say yes the police them come there. Yes, let me see if me find it. Yes, the police them did come there, but they come on that different thing. They not just come because they sitting there.
This is what I've been saying for nearly 2 days now.
I know this is a phone, that phone. That's not the phone it's on. Hold on the people. The way all Lorraine wicked. The way all Lorraine wicked. Lorraine. The way all Lorraine wicked. Lorraine put on Steve on the phone. Lorraine put on Steve on the phone.
Alright, see there.
The way all the woman wicked, she put on Steve on the phone and turn on the phone and make them a ear when time in ask Steve about the where the car there, what the people them, and she go on with herself and go on and Steve the cause Steve when they pan one phone call and he say, what the people them, and she go on and she go on. And Steve said, oh, you're talking about the detective? I gave it to Munchie. A different sitting the people them come there for, they not come there about no child molestation. Then didn't come there for no child molestation with Steve. Then ain't come there with no child molestation with Steve.
Once the same grandmother was one happy girl, one happy woman. Yeah, my father did daddy.
I know that the one there.
Military graduation.
Not that one. Guys, the petition that is out. I know that the one there.
Alright, see there. Jody, okay, let me.
If you turn there with your goal, but they went to us they want no goal. Turn right there with your goal.
Text me pan the other. But we all know that the kids them did not buy no care. We all know. May they come out and tell on a long.
Me can't find it, but the way oh she wicked, it look like me sorry, my name me know which part me tape and do with it. She come out and they make everybody they hear Steve they talk. That's how wicked the girl they is. Eh? That's how wicked the girl they is. Eh? Why Lorraine grew and they put everybody's life in danger, everybody's life in jeopardy? Why? For what are you about to gain? What are you gonna gain? It's been 5 years now. You dey try to make Dana go spend time at jail. 5 years now. 5 years. And I know we can't work out. So if you have to take down Aina, if you have to take down Aina for Dana go down, because everybody a friend, you know. Everybody a friend. So if I saw the plan have to go work, I saw it all work. Because in the process, you take down Ashanti, 13, and all of them. Every one of them you take down. You use the one stone and take down all of them. Yes, good. So when time all of that done now, maybe step in and do what me supposed to do. Listen, please show me one time. Go wash your ass. You can go and go wash for your ass. Coming have time for you. Me not have no time for you. Right down your channel, join me. I am Pakistan, I am new. Please support me, host. What do you want me to support you with? What do you want me to support you with? Got no time for you on the foolishness. I have no time for you on the foolishness. So, go and go sit down. Take a back seat. Yes. Them have forgot me page them this morning. They are frigging up the page them this morning because they don't want you to they don't want me to come out and say what I have to say. But I am going to say it because all of them wicked and bad. All of them. Wicked and them you can't find. Them wicked. And all of them they go feel it. Remember me telling us that they ain't go feel it, guys. They ain't go feel it. Because when me sit down and see the wickedness them what they do to me, you know, understand how bitter me is against them. They don't understand how bitter me is against them. You can't walk, drive, fly, and then things say they're untouchable. Then think them is so untouchable, it's not funny. They really do think they're untouchable. And they don't understand. I say people don't want to right like really. You don't want to. You don't want to mix with them. You do not want to mix with them. May I tell you? Joy, me never ask you nothing. Joy, I did not ask you nothing. Who come with them house from who no come with them all. Money you beg when you homeless. The people them want it back. Go and eat some sugar and sit down. Joyce Grant or whatever your name. I wonder if Mama Joyce this year. Go put your head on Erica Batty. Go put your head on Erica Batty because you swear you don't have nothing to do. You know the left out no command and me comment them. We don't have nothing to do. I mean not delete you know anyone I know want me to report, I will report on the backside. I'll just report on the backside. That's it. Me not have no time, no time to argue with Uno. Not one time. Not one time. Uno can stay right there. Stay right which part Uno there. Me not have none time. Not have none time. No time at all. Oh, that the one they done. The whole under they look, they search for something. The whole under they search for something. Under they search for what no take from me, I want me dash for already. That's what under they search for. Me not have none time for that. Me done have it already. And it gone and everything. But that's okay. That's okay. Me no know what I no want. Me no know what I no want. Me definitely don't know what I want. Put out her picture, Maxine. She come from Porty. Put the picture. Everybody know her. Everybody know Landlawd. Everybody know Dirty Landlawd. Everybody up there know Dirty Landlawd. When I reported her 3 years ago, 3 years ago when me report her, the police them look at me plane and tell me, say, Miss Maxine, you are fighting a losing battle because this woman is a mad woman. Mad woman. I wonder what they're gonna say right now. You know, I should have give them a call back. I should have give them a call back to find out what them have to say about these millions now. I should. Oh, Joyce. Okay, let me go look for it. Let me go back on my page. Me don't know where she come from. Me don't know where she come from, you know. Me don't have no time for them. Upon YouTube there. Let me go find it again. Where should I find it again? Oh, see it. She not have no picture, me Ross. Appeared up in me a chat too. There's no picture there. It's only Joyce Grant. I saw Mama Joyce name. Joyce Grant. The whole of them a thief. Tell Mama Joyce to go put out Erica information to what she have there. Cause she collect money too. Venshaw, Olive Jagger, or whatever the hell she name. Mama Joyce, the whole of them names soon come out on the wait. People on the wait, the whole of them names soon come out. Yes, no picture not there. Me know, no picture not there right now. The whole of them take down them picture them.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.